Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Wirya from Multimedia Nusantara University. Today I want to share about General Journal. The first introduction is General Journal is a journal that is used to record all types of financial transaction evidence that arise from all financial transactions of a company in a certain period. The second, the word journal comes from French, named jour, which means day. The third, this general journal is used to record various financial transaction activities chronologically according to date by including the name of the transaction, group of accounts, and the amount in the debit or credit column. What is the purpose of making the journal? The first, identify every transaction that occurs. The second, assessment of a transaction. And the third, recording the economic impact of transaction within the company. General journal function. There are 5 important functions for a company, especially service company. The first function is historical function. Each transaction is carried out chronologically in sequence and according to the date the transaction occurred. The second, recording function. All transaction activities are not missed or not recorded. The third function is analysis function. Recording in a journal is the result of analysis in the form of debiting and crediting a number of related accounts and their amount or nominal. The fourth, instructive function. The notes in the journal are an order for debiting or crediting a number of accounts in the journal and in the general ledger according to the notes contained in the journal. The fifth, informative function. The journal provides information or an explanation of the transactions that have occurred, and records should be made immediately based on the information available. How to make an accounting journal? The first, you must understand the accounting equation. The second, collect and identify proof of transaction. And the third, general journal recording. This is a general journal recording process. Basic rules of general journal. This picture will show about general journal basic rules. General journal table form. This is the example of the correct general journal table form. The first column contains the date, month, and the year of the transaction. The second column to be filled in by accounts that are influential as a result of the transaction that will be debit or credited. The third column, the reference column, is filled with the account code whose number have been transferred or listed in the ledger. The fourth column, fill in the nominal value of the account being debited. The fifth, to be complete with the nominal value of the account being credited. And the last column is, after the transaction recording process in the general journal is complete, the next recording process is the transfer of each account or the posting to the general ledger. That's all about my explanation. I'm sorry if there are some mistakes of pronunciation or for the word. Thank you.